This is a speed test between the iPhone 14 Plus versus the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Now the iPhone 14 Plus has the A15 Bionic chip with 6 gigs of RAM. On its latest version of iOS 16.0, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 has the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip with 8 gigs of RAM. On Android 12, on its latest version of One UI 4.1.1. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time and see which one has a faster boot up, and let's go. iPhone 14 Plus versus Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 speed test. Which phone will boot up faster? And oh, as you can see, the iPhone 14 Plus super fast on the boot up. However, the Z Flip 4 is saying, hold on a second, I'm not too far behind, as you can see. And we're in. These are the apps I'm gonna be using for this speed test. I'm gonna do this on the 14 Plus. And as you can see, there is nothing in the background. And do this on the Z Flip 4, no recently used apps. All apps, caches, the browsers, everything has been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close, I think that was the Z Flip 4, but let me know in the comments. Messages. Very close, again, let me know down below. The camera. Ooh, that was a close one. Let me know down below. Clock on both phones. Very close. Start that up. Let that run in the background. Calculator. Ooh, very close. But again, I think that was the Z Flip 4. But you guys let me know. App Store, Play Store. Ooh, I'm gonna give that to the Z Flip 4. Go ahead and click on just a random app here. We'll just leave it right there. Amazon. Ooh, I'm gonna give that to the Z Flip 4. Go ahead and click on this. Leave it right there. eBay. Ooh, faster on the Z Flip. Go ahead and click on, let's see, what can I click on? Click on just a random item from these two phones. We'll leave it there. Mario Run. Loading on both phones. A little bit faster on the 14 Plus. Oh, but that was pretty much identical on that second step. Subway Surf. 14 Plus, slightly out in front. Z Flip 4 right on its heels. We'll tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in now on both phones. Let's see what happens here. Ooh. Oh, okay. Will the Z Flip catch up? It might. Oh my goodness. Wow. Very close. I think that's a draw, but let me know down below. We have the Modern Combat 5. Now this one is a little tricky. I'm gonna try to time this correctly here.
3 weeks ago, the World Liberation Army launched a cyber.
Let's see, okay. Okay, faster on the 14 Plus here. Now I know that wasn't at the same time, but it is what it is. Of course, we do have PUBG. See, hearing noise from the 14 Plus first, and the 14 Plus super fast on this game. And the Z Flip's loading. And okay, see, really not that far behind. Maybe a few extra seconds, but IG. Faster on the 14 Plus there, although Z Flip, the front screen looks different here. Interesting. Snapchat. Faster on the Flip on that one. We do have Safari and the Samsung Internet Browser on both phones. We'll go ahead and do a Google search here. Since this video is an iPhone versus Flip, we'll go ahead and do a search for, let's combine the two, Bionic Flip. This should be an interesting search, but I think it's gonna autocorrect to Bionic Flip. We'll see what happens. We'll go ahead and do an image search here. Let's see. Yeah, it corrected to Bionic, or no, this one says Bionic. Okay, well, we'll just go with it. Gonna go ahead and click on these. Whoops, that wasn't at the same time, so that's my bad. Let's see, click on this. Click on this. Click on this. Super fast on both. And what's going on with the 14 Plus? Not responsive. Okay, we'll go ahead and do the see more. We're gonna scroll, and yeah, the super fast display on the Z Flip 4 here with the 120 Hz. It's a much better experience here on the scrolling when web browsing, and on the 14 Plus, I mean, it's alright, you know? Kinda choppy, especially nowadays. Super smooth, however, on the Z Flip. See, this is taking a while. That could be a Wi-Fi thing, so take that with a grain of salt. We'll go ahead and click on this. Yeah, the scrolling here, gotta be honest, way better on the Flip. Do more scrolling. Check out the RAM management on both phones. Everything in the background so you can see. We're just gonna run through these apps again, and we'll have a look, see if there's any lags or any stutters. Honestly, I anticipate none, but we'll see. We'll see. Reconnecting here on the MC5, and we can resume. Not a problem on both phones. We do have the Angry Birds. No lags yet. Subway Surf. We can resume. Really with no lag. The Mario Run. Good to go on both. eBay. Same place. Whoops. Amazon. No lags yet. App Store, Play Store. Same place. Calculator. Good to go on both. Clock. Still running the stopwatch. I've never seen this reload ever. The camera. A little bit faster on the 14 Plus. Messages. Identical. Finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Thanks for watching. Peace out.